Escape the chaos and reconnect with the serenity of the natural world. Let's embark on a journey to discover the profound beauty and purpose woven into every leaf, stream, and mountain. Imagine standing in a quiet forest, where the leaves softly rustle as the wind blows. Sunlight shines through the trees, creating beautiful patterns on the ground. You take a deep breath, and with each breath, you feel your stress fade away. Every part of nature is important and helps keep life in balance. From tiny seeds to tall trees, each one has a role to play. Look closely at their details and find inspiration in their purpose. Nature offers a sanctuary, a place to quiet the mind and nourish the soul. Listen to the birdsong, watch the clouds drift by, and feel the earth beneath your feet. Let the beauty of the natural world restore your inner peace. Ready to experience more of nature's tranquility? Subscribe to our channel for weekly doses of breathtaking scenery and calming soundscapes. Share this video with someone who needs a moment of peace today.